Morning, students. So today's social homework is third lesson. Actually, we already started. Okay, uh, and we seen up to what is that? Mirgara, the precursor to Indus civilization. Okay, is one of the site Neolithic site. Okay, Neolithic culture is there. In that particular area, we are getting more information about the Neolithic. It belongs to before 7000 BC. Okay, and we actually what are the things we are seeing in this lesson means completely about the Indus civilization, that will be called as a urban civilization also, or Harappan civilization. Indus civilization, urban civilization, Harappan civilization. Okay, all the things same only. Okay, well planned city. Why Harappan civilization will called as a urban civilization means, what is that? Harappan civilization is said to be an urban because of the following reason. What are the well conceived town? What is that? Well conceived, well conceived town actually. Then what is it? Astonishing the machinery and architecture. They given important for what is that? Architecture also. Then priority for hygienic and public. Next one. Priority for hygienic and public. Then standardized weights and measures. Okay, solid agriculture and artisanal waste. So what are the things nowadays normally we are having, no, that thing all it's the peoples are used actually in Harappan civilization itself. So it's the next page we're going to see today. So that is states and houses. Streets and houses actually. Streets and houses. So what is that? So this point is continuing from the before page. So what is the unique features of the Harappan civilization? Common feature. Okay, what are the town planning is unique feature of the Indus civilization. The Harappan city had two planned areas. Indus civilization is covering a very big area. In that particularly Harappan civilization having the planned city actually. Okay, now we are having the smart city project is going on, no, overall India smart city. Salem, what is it? Erode, Madurai, Dindukkal is not there. So some Salem we can take example. So smart city, we are planning for smart city. So it will be called as a urban. What is that? The Harappan city to planned area, very well planned city. So in that same concept, urban areas also. So streets and houses. See, it's all, if you see in the picture means you can understand it's all well planned city. See, separate houses is there, drainage system is there. Okay, they used bricks actually. So that's only the streets are observed to have a grid pattern. They were a straight running from north to south and east to west and intersected each other at right angles. How we are having nowadays the same concept. They built the houses in olden days itself. Okay, parallel, some certain in certain order they build it actually. We have a separate street. So what is the street is there means what is the meaning? The houses are in the straight line. No, the same concept they followed in the Harappan civilization. Two roads were wide with rounded corners. What is that? Two roads were wide with rounded corners. Yeah, complete village will be covered with that particular road. Houses are built on the both side of the street. The houses were either one or two stories. Stories means what? Steps actually. First floor, second floor, that one. Most of the houses had many rooms, courtyard, and well each house and toilets and bathrooms. Okay, and understand I think so. Courtyard means what? They separate like a hall, play hall. The place is available for maximum of all the houses, and each house is separately. Toilets and bathrooms is there. Okay, then the houses were built using the backed bricks and the mortar. Sun dried bricks were also used. Most of the bricks were of uniform size. Roofs were flat. So like nowadays, it's nowadays only we have the molding roofs. Backed bricks only we are using now, but on the day backed bricks at the same time. What is that? sun dried normal without backed bricks will be there. Okay, that bricks also they used actually. Then there is no conclusive evidence of the presence of palaces and places of the worship, and we not having a evidence for a palaces which the kings are lived. No, that one. At the same time, worship place also is not there. We not having evidence. Okay, this is all. But remaining, these are all the things, features of the Harappan civilization. Okay.